Hello, my name's Madison, and I've been electroforming for several years, and I think it's one of the most interesting, fun, and profitable hobbies out there, and I'd love to help you learn how to do it. I've just finished filming a 6-step course that walks you through everything you need to do and learn in order to get started creating your own copper creations using chemicals and electricity. We'll talk about the acid solution and whether you should buy pre-made or brew your own, as well as how to brew your own solution if you want to go that route. We'll talk about the conductive paint options you have and why some may be better in different applications. We'll then sculpt our pieces, and I'll be using 3 different techniques so that you can get a better understanding on how to do things in order to make whatever it is exactly that you're envisioning. Then we'll build our tanks, and I'll be showing you how to do 2 separate builds so that if you want to get started using the smallest, least expensive, and easiest way possible, you can do that. But if you also want to get started making something bigger and more advanced for higher quality results, you can do that as well. We'll then go over electroforming using the exact setup that we built in the previous video, and then finish our pieces together and talk about polishing, patinaing, and sealing. I really tried to make a course that covers all of the things I wish I knew before I got started, and I hope you learn a ton from it. Even if you don't buy my course, I'll link my electroforming supply shopping list for anyone to use, and I hope to see you in class.